Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making spicy fried chicken, which is very crispy, yummy and delicious for this recipe, and it can easily be made at home. You must try it too, so I will start making this recipe. So here come the spices first. So this is salt, this is black pepper, ginger fried masala, dried coriander powder, turmeric powder, and last one is red chili powder. And here are some chicken pieces. And all the spices I showed at the beginning of the video. I put a spoonful in the yogurt. After adding all the spices in the curd, I will mix it well. Now I will marinate the chicken. Now I will put chicken pieces in the yogurt mixture. That way I will put the chicken pieces in the yogurt mixture. All the chicken pieces has to be mixed well in the yogurt. So here I have complete marination chicken well. And now I will cover it for 2 hours. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel so that more videos coming up can easily reach you people. And you can watch more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. So here I am preparing a flour mixture. Now I will put some flour spoon in a tray. And now I will put all the spices in it. So first I am adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic powder, 1 tablespoon lot of pepper. I will add 1 tablespoon ginger fried masala, 1 tablespoon salt to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and half tablespoon black pepper powder. And now I will mix all these spices well in the flour. After the chicken sits well for 2 hours, I will remove its cover. We have to prepare the chicken well like this. Now I will mix the chicken well in these spices. And I am preparing an egg mixture. So for that I put an egg in a bowl and I will mix the egg. I am pouring 2 to 3 drops of water in it and I will mix again. And now we will marinate the chicken. So first we will pick up a pieces of chicken and put it in the flour. After placing the chicken pieces in the flour, apply the flour well on it and mix it well with your hands so that when we fry the chicken it has nice crunch on it and it become crispy. I will dip the chicken pieces in the eggs one. I will put it in flour again and I will mix it well in the flour. In the same way, we have to prepare spicy fried chicken pieces well. Now I will put the chicken pieces in oil to be fried. When deepening in chicken oil, hands should be completely dry so that the ghee separated does not fall on top. I will prepare the rest of the chicken pieces in the same way and fry them in oil. And we have to let the chicken fry until it has a light brown color. It cooks well inside and their crumbs are also crispy, properly made. Now the chicken has a nice light brown color and it is cooked right inside. Now I will sift it out to all chicken pieces. So mashallah, our today's spicy fried chicken recipe is ready. You will definitely try it. Inshallah, you will like it very much. And how did you like this video? You must tell me in the comment section. You must like, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Waiting for my next video and always remember me in my prayers. Allah Hafiz.